Tutorial 7. Modify and enhance 3D model preview. In this tutorial, we will be modifying and enhancing 3D model preview. You will learn to choose between the dynamic preview, which depends on the model view you choose, and the static preview, obtainable from an image. Preview, or the initial view of a 3D model, is an image that appears in the 3D model area of your PDF document. The preview always appears in 3D PDF Maker and Adobe Reader when in the activation settings the option Enable when the content is clicked is chosen, as described in the previous tutorial. As always, we need a file from the tutorial. Open the file Tutorial 7.1 and zoom it properly. Take a look at the preview image in 3D PDF Maker. Double-click on the 3D model area to open the Edit 3D dialog and click on Modify the orientation of the default view. In this case, the preview image corresponds to the default view. Exit the Edit 3D dialog without saving. Use Show Preview with Adobe Reader. Activate your model. The preview will correspond to the view which you get by clicking on the house icon. When the model is active, you can see the preview by simply deactivating the model. Click the right button of the mouse and select Disable Content. The preview appears in the model area. To reactivate the 3D model, just click on the model area. When altering the model orientation of the default view, also the preview is automatically changed. Let's see how it works. Close Adobe Reader and go back to 3D PDF Maker. Double-click the 3D model area. In the Edit 3D dialog, we modify the orientation of the default view. After having rotated the model, we save it using the button with the green checkmark icon. Press Yes to confirm the preview updating and then press OK. The preview image is automatically changed. Open the PDF file with Show Preview with Adobe Reader. Activate the model and check the changes of the default view. Close Adobe Reader and go back to 3D PDF Maker. In the upcoming tutorials, we will be adding new views with different view properties, render modes and lighting options. You will know the flexibility of 3D PDF Maker that can make the default view from any view of the model. The same concerns the preview, which is not obligatory generated from the default view. You may need in a PDF document the preview of a model made not of a 3D model view, but of an image accompanied by some text. Double-click the 3D model area. In the Launch Settings tab, in the Preview Image section, select Create Preview from File. Use Browse and select in the tutorial the JPEG file Preview Tutorial 7.1. Check if the option Enable when the content is clicked in the activation settings is enabled and confirm it with OK. The desired preview will appear in the model area. Take a look at your completed work by clicking on Show Preview with Adobe Reader. In your PDF document, the preview is represented by the chosen image. And when clicking on the model area, you will activate your model. Now quit Adobe Reader, go back to 3D PDF Maker and close the PDF file without saving